Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about ChatGPT. I'll put a link to this article in the description for the video. But I did a video maybe 3 weeks ago about how ChatGPT had been used to give a young man some clinical advice, and it coached him basically how to commit suicide, and he did. So this is another example, and this involves Kratom too. So please take time to read this. A Texas couple whose son died of an overdose in 2025 after using OpenAI's ChatGPT tool to get information about drugs sued the technology company on Tuesday, blaming the AI platform for his death. Leila Turner Scott and her husband, Angus Scott, are seeking to hold OpenAI and its creators accountable after their son, Sam Nelson, who was 19 at the time, turned to ChatGPT to advise him on using drugs. The AI platform provided advice it was not qualified to dispense. There's a shocker, right? They alleged in the lawsuit, claiming that Sam would still be alive if not for ChatGPT's flawed programming. Specifically, the platform advised the couple's son that it was safe to take Kratom, a supplement used in drinks, pills, and other products in combination with Xanax, a widely used anti-anxiety medication according to the suit, filed in California State Court. Angus Scott, the dad, also said that ChatGPT acted as a medical doctor in its exchanges with his stepson, even though it was not licensed to offer medical advice. This is an important point. Why? Because I get people all the time who call us and they say, I talked to ChatGPT. That ChatGPT is not qualified to give you advice on anything, not medical advice, not clinical advice, and certainly not legal advice. And this is the problem, okay? Garbage in, garbage out, okay? People call us and say, I consulted with ChatGPT. You can't file a Marchman Act. You can't file a guardianship. Really? How many of these cases that we handle has ChatGPT actually handled? So please, look, ChatGPT and the other AI platforms are wonderful tools. I use them in our practice, right? I use them to help me to create some of the social media posts that we do, right? It's based on my knowledge and on what I input to it, and I obviously edit the stuff. But when it comes to that stuff, it's a wonderful tool. We don't use it for legal pleadings, right? Because ChatGPT makes stuff up, and I know a couple of lawyers who got themselves in serious hot water because it makes stuff up. You're hiring us to do legal work for you, not pump out bullshit from ChatGPT, excuse my French. So anyway, you can read the article for yourself. Heartbreaking stuff. Again, a family losing a child for no reason. And I've waxed poetic at this point about Kratom. This stuff is bloody dangerous, and it will kill you, and it will kill your children. Okay, and I don't want to hear from all the people online who are jumping on the bandwagons, want to throw me under the proverbial bus. Okay, if you want to sit at home and use Kratom, smoke marijuana, and drink until your head explodes, good luck to you. I live in a different universe. I live in reality where I see it destroying families. Okay, and every year I get that phone call from a family who lost a loved one because of some type of opioid or drug. And so that's where I come from. That's my world. And that's how we built our business, trying to help those families. So I'm interested to hear what you have to say. If you want to throw me under the bus, knock yourself out. Just do it respectfully. And please be respectful to other people who are posting, because we're getting families posting who are sharing their stories of heartbreak. Be nice to them. They've suffered. In any event, if there's an issue going on in your family and I've not made a video, let me know. Post in the comments. I'll make you a video, because if it's affecting your family, I'm sure it's affecting somebody else's. And I make this content every day so you can get the information you need, not the rubbish that's on ChatGPT or Google, because that stuff's just garbage. Okay, this content is based on speaking to thousands of families, okay, and filing hundreds of cases. So this is what I give to you, and I give it to you for free so you can have the information, so you can decide if you even want to pick up the phone and have a chat with us. So please post in the comments. This helps. The thumbs up helps us because it helps the algorithm, and it helps us to get in front of more families so we can help more people. So please, if you could, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want more of this content that we make every day for you, please subscribe to the channel. And with that said, thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.